If you're looking for a reliable, professional, and affordable Richmond, Virginia air conditioning repair or service, well, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be one of the top local providers of Richmond air conditioning services. And we're committed to creating satisfied customers. No matter what type of air conditioning or HVAC work you need done, we can do it all. Call one of our friendly, Richmond, Virginia air conditioning repair and services team now, to set up an appointment. Call us now, call 855-737-1403.